I learned on Friday that the Department of Justice has opted not to pursue a civil rights investigation into government-run nursing homes in several states about their response to the COVID-19. Earlier this year, I urged the department to pursue this investigation, and I today call on the Attorney General to reconsider this decision that I learned about last Friday. I do that in light of media reports suggesting that the obstruction of justice may have occurred in at least one of these jurisdictions. Close to 1 year ago, the department sought information from 4 states. Those 4 states are New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, and Michigan. The information sought was about the number of COVID-19 infections and deaths in their public nursing homes. The department's request for this information came on the heels of media reports suggesting that state officials in these jurisdictions had pressured nursing homes to accept patients regardless of their COVID-19 status. It was reported that officials in New York also may have engaged in a cover-up by actively concealing from the public the actual number of COVID-19 related fatalities in that state's nursing homes. Serious questions remain to this day about whether the governors in New York and these 3 other jurisdictions helped fuel the COVID-19 related death tolls in nursing homes through the issuance of their own executive orders that went against the advice of geriatricians. Yet, the department is declining to pursue the matter, and in the case of New York, this is particularly troubling. New York's governor not only reportedly pressured nursing homes in his state to accept patients during the initial stage of the pandemic, regardless of their COVID-19 status, but his administration did not provide an accurate picture of the actual death tolls to the public. This lack of transparency was done to avoid accountability. So, put very simply, the public deserves better. According to a report by the New York Post, a top aide to Governor Cuomo even apologized to a group of Democratic state lawmakers during a phone call for reportedly withholding data on COVID-19 related nursing home fatalities during this pandemic. The department's Civil Rights Division won't investigate, but at least the FBI and prosecutors at the U.S. Attorney's Office are looking into the matter. These federal prosecutors' review reportedly focuses on whether Governor Cuomo's administration underreported COVID-19 deaths in the nursing homes in an effort to avoid negative publicity. At least someone is looking at this. However, I'm disappointed that the Justice Department proper and Attorney General Garland have decided to pull their punches. As I stated today in a letter to the Attorney General, it would be a grave injustice to those who perished in these facilities during the pandemic to neglect to fully explore such widely reported and troubling allegations. And as others, too, have noted, promoting more accountability and transparency is vital under these circumstances. It would not only help prevent similar missteps in the future, but also maintain public confidence in the department, which is waning under the department's current leadership. I yield the floor.